To find your Amazon billing statement, follow these steps. First, log into your Amazon account through your browser. Next, click on the Returns and Orders option, typically located at the top corner of the screen. Then, select the Orders tab and choose the specific order you want to view the invoice for. Under the order number, you will find the option to View Invoice, which will provide you with the shipping details, total cost, and other essential information concerning your order. Additionally, you can also check your Amazon billing statement on your phone by opening the Amazon app, pressing the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom of the screen, scrolling down to Your Orders, selecting the order you want to check, and then scrolling down to press the Download Invoice option. Checking an Amazon invoice is a straightforward process, whether you're using a computer or your phone.